All right, we got an absolute value equation. Now, whenever you see an absolute value equation, what you want to do is get the absolute value all by itself, and it already is. Once you have the absolute value all by itself, you split it up into two separate equations. For each equation, you're going to write out the absolute value side without the absolute value. So negative 4 plus 5x and negative 4 plus 5x. On one equation, you're going to keep the right side the way it originally was. And on the other equation, you're going to take the right side and take its opposite. Now we have two separate two-step equations that we need to solve for and do one at a time. So let's add 4. Let's add 4. Cross you out. 5x equals 20. Divide by 5. Divide by 5. X equals 4. So that's one of our guys, maybe. Now we do this guy too. Add 4, add 4. 5x equals negative 12. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. And x is going to equal negative, 2.4. Now we take our answers and plug that into the original problem to make sure it works. So x is 4, 5 times 4 is 20, 20 minus 4 is 16, and the absolute value of 16 is 16, check. 5 times negative 24 is negative 12. Negative 12 plus negative 4 is negative 16, and the absolute value of negative 16 is 16, so both of these work. More often than not, these will both work, but you still have to make sure just in case that one time it doesn't. So I have two answers, 4 and negative 2.4, and we're done.